Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices, enable developer options and USB debugging on your phone, and install ADB and the OEM USB driver on your PC. Once done, plug the phone into the PC with a good cable to avoid intermittent connections, or connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network for wireless casting. Make sure battery saver is off. This avoids background restrictions. This step ensures the PC can see your phone and sets up the permissions you'll need before mirroring or file transfer. Next, choose your method. For low latency control, install SCRCPY and run ADB to mirror the phone. This lets you navigate the YouTube app and play videos from the PC. If uploading, change the USB mode to File Transfer, MTP, and drag media into your phone's DSIM or Movies folder, then upload from the YouTube app. For wireless options, use Chrome's Cast, a receiver app like Vicer, or the YouTube Connect pairing to stream to a PC receiver. Make sure permissions are accepted when prompted. Finally, confirm playback and control. Adjust resolution and bitrate in SCRCPY or Cast settings to reduce lag, and test audio routing so sound plays where you expect. Once playback is stable, use YouTube features like full screen or captions from the mirrored interface. If something goes wrong, first reboot both devices, reauthorize the PC in the phone's USB debugging prompt, or switch USB ports. These fixes resolve most issues. If persistent, update drivers and replace the cable before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.